Welcome to Jacktv. We live en direct. Yoonique. Bon, c'est moi-même qui t'a pour demander. What's your name? What's your name, Yoonique?
Yoonique.
Yoonique. Yoonique. I know you come to Jacktv so many times. So, what do you have for us today, Yoonique? You can leave it. You can leave it. You can hear us, right?
We are talking about school today.
Oh, you're gonna talk about school today. What would you like to talk about today?
Okay. At school we do jobs. We we take the wagon outside. We wash the tables at lunch. We um we clean DJ's cage. We we take DJ a walk. We um we clean the rug
So that's what you do at
and
school.
and we stack the chairs.
Oh, so basically, at your school, they make you do little work at your school, right? What grade
Yes.
are you in, Unique?
Kindergarten.
You in kindergarten. How old are you?
5.
You five. What the name of your school?
Um Wait, let me think. It's called Virginia
Uh huh.
Sherman Young Elementary School.
Virginia Sherman Young Elementary School. Oh, that's the one that stands for VSY, right?
Yes.
All right. What kind of activities that you get involved in your school? It seems like you're a very smart girl. It seems like
Yes.
you get involved in a lot of activities at school. Could you name some activities that you involve at school?
Yes.
What kind of activities that you do? Do you play sport, or you dance, or do you play music, or what do you do at
Oh,
school?
the activity we do
Mm-hmm.
is when it's time to go to the rug, some somebody has to turn on the music.
And
The rug music so they can go on the rug.
so when they turn on the work music, what do they do? They dance, or what they do?
They just have to go to the rug and sit down and put their hands in their lap.
Oh, so that's one of the activities that you do at school, right?
Yeah.
What else do you do in school?
Did you say ants?
What else did you do
Uh,
in school?
um, in school, when when somebody does all of their work, they had to do some activity work like the clock work,
Uh huh.
the bead work,
Mm-hmm.
and all that kind of stuff.
Okay. I heard you very good in science, and you always participate in the science project. Tell me a little bit about it.
Um, we didn't go to science yet.
Oh, you haven't go to science
No.
yet, but
We went to art.
oh, you went to art. But I heard the teacher was talking about that you very good in science too. Is it you helping out, but you're not there yet, but you're helping people in the science project?
Yeah.
Oh, that's very good. That's very good.
And at art, we paint,
Hmm.
draw, color.
Hmm.
Um,
Are you very good in draw?
yeah.
Uh,
And we had to cut some little things to do in it. And the first time when I went to art, we baked we did like a little cup.
okay.
We baked a cup.
So, for all the young kids, little kids like you that watching us right now, what is the good things you can tell those kids that watching you right now? What would you tell them?
That I'm very smart and help them and be good for them.
Oh, okay, you will be good for them, and you can help them out to be like you, right?
Yes.
That's very good. That's very good. That's very good thinking. So,
And if they need help with something, then I have to help them to do it.
or if they need help with something, you're available to help them out to do it, right? That's very good. You're very helpful, kids. So thank you, Unique. Thank you very much for coming, for stopping by Jack TV today. So we're glad to have you, and we hope you coming back and have a little more conversation about how the school activity is going for you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Would you say thank you to all the people that watching you right now?
Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you. Stay tuned. This is Jack TV. We'll be right back.